Hey friends, it's Tiffany again. I'm coming at you again with another really quick wig review. This is a new wig that I just received. It just came in the mail yesterday and I was so geeked to get it, you guys. I paid $13.98 for this unit after shipping. If you don't know about Go Beauty, make sure that you go back and watch my older video, Where Do I Get My Wigs From? That gives you some great information on where I shop and how I'm able to purchase wigs that look like this for $14 including shipping. If you're interested in learning about this wig tea, stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, before we get started, make sure that you hit that button. I don't want you to miss out on any of this information. I am bringing you guys wig life right now. Hit that notification bell as well while you're doing it and watch me work. Okay guys, so today I am bringing you Hazel. Hazel is a Zury unit. She is by Sis Sister Wigs. She is in their new collection. She does have 4x4 free inch parting and I have her in the color number 2. Hazel to me feels and looks like blown out natural hair or brand new relaxed hair, and she is just everything. This hair feels so good. I'm not getting any tangling. I'm getting minimal shedding, like maybe 3 or 4 strands. Nothing bad, nothing that I'm concerned about. I did go ahead and pre-cut the lace. This unit does have the silk topper that I know some of you guys are not in love with. So if you're interested in this unit, you can always cut this out if that's not something that works for you. She has your standard cap constructions, 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps. And again, you have that 4x4 inch free parting space so that you can wear this any way you like. So I'm going to go ahead and get this unit off. If you're interested in this unit, I did just finish reviewing this wig. This is Blast. It's also by Zury, so I guess we're doing a little Zury series here today. I'm going to go ahead and pop this off, pop Hazel on. I'll be right back with you guys, okay? Okay guys, so right out of the pack, my first impression of Hazel is that she is not big head friendly. She is very snug on my head. I would say that I have a medium-sized head. I didn't adjust or loosen the straps at all, but the standard setting that it comes in is very snug. I'm used to a little bit more stretch in my caps and do prefer a little bit more room. I can definitely see this getting tight over the course of the day, and if I do continue to wear this, I will need to loosen this up some. As you can see, I did a side part. I haven't done anything else to this unit other than to put it on and to cut the lace off. It did come with soft lace, which is always a good thing. In order to get this to lie as flat as I would like it to, I am going to be using some heat. Once again, I have my hot comb. I purchased this on Amazon for $16 and it's electric. It plugs in, so I do really recommend this hot comb. Make sure you guys check the description box. There's always really helpful information in there, okay? So I'm just going to go ahead and style this. I'm going to stop talking and let's let you guys watch. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave them below, but I'll be back in the end with my final thoughts and whether or not this meets my approval. All right, watch me work. Alright you guys, so I am back with my final thoughts here on Hazel. Overall, I do love this unit. I think that this is a great everyday type sleigh. This is a very natural looking, this looks like how I used to get sew-ins back in the day, you guys. This hair feels like bundles. It looks like bundles. It's got great flow. The density is perfect. I would say that this is spot on for 2 bundles or probably even 3 bundles in a closure. I don't mind those silk toppers. I think that they look good. I don't have any problem working with them. But again, if you don't prefer those, you can always cut those out. There is lace underneath for you to melt down. I didn't glue this. I haven't done anything but to put this on and to slick those baby hairs down. I did use my new Ebin Easy Edges Edge Control in order to lay that down. So I do really like this product and do recommend it. So if you guys have any questions, you guys know the drill, leave them down below. I am happy to answer your questions always. So I hope that you enjoyed Hazel. Like I said, she was a $13.98 sleigh, so you can never be mad at that. Whenever I get these great deals, I always like to share them with you guys so that you guys can get yourselves together and slay on a budget, honey. Yes, I am all about saving some coins. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you're not already subscribed, before you go, hit that button. I love you guys. Bye, loves.